Ready to launch your own thriving Telegram community but not sure where to begin? In today's video, I'll walk you through every essential step to set up your Telegram space from scratch, build a genuine audience, and create a place where conversations and connections flourish. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create, grow, and manage a group or channel that people love to join and participate in. Let's dive right in. First, you need to create your Telegram space, whether that's a group or a channel. Simply pop open Telegram and look for the New Message button. It's usually a pencil or chat bubble icon at the bottom right of your screen. Tap that and you'll see two important options: New Group or New Channel. Now let's slow down for a second. If you're unsure which one to choose, here's the deal. A group is like a chat room where everyone can talk, perfect for communities, study circles, or team discussions. A channel, on the other hand, is more like a broadcasting station. You send out announcements, but only admins can post messages and members mostly read. You might use a channel if you're sharing updates, news, or curated content. If you go with a group, Telegram will ask you to add a few initial members. Just grab some friends or colleagues to get started. Then you'll set a name, maybe something catchy or descriptive, add a photo that represents your brand or community vibe, and write a short description explaining what your group is all about. This helps new people quickly get your group's purpose. If you're creating a channel, it's quite similar. You'll set a name, upload an icon, and craft a description. You'll also choose whether you want it to be public or private. Public channels let anyone find you, and you can even set a unique link like t.me/yourchannelname, which makes sharing super easy. A quick tip: for channels, you can link a discussion group so your readers can chat about your posts and leave comments, bringing your community together in a seamless way. It's a best of both worlds situation if you're aiming for both structure and conversation. Once your Telegram space is live, it's time to build your community. Start by getting clear on your purpose. What do you want this group or channel to be known for? Maybe it's anime recommendations, local hiking adventures, professional networking, or just a fun hangout spot. Spell out some simple ground rules, things like respect, no spam, and staying on topic. This creates a safe, welcoming atmosphere from day one. Now invite your first members. Add your friends, coworkers, or invite people who share your interests. You'll want to share your invite link on your social media, maybe in your Instagram bio, Twitter threads, or on relevant forums. Don't be shy. People can't join a party they don't know about. To keep new members interested, post regularly. Mix it up with useful text, engaging images, quick videos, and even files or documents. People love variety. To boost engagement, use Telegram's built-in features like quick polls, fun quizzes, or Q&A sessions. You can even host live events or themed discussions. Just like hosting a game night, these activities give your members more reason to stick around and participate. As your group grows, you'll need trusted helpers. Appoint a few moderators or admins to help keep things friendly and organized. Now let's talk about growth and ongoing management. Promote your channel or group by sharing your unique link everywhere: Twitter, Reddit, Facebook groups, or even your own website if you have one. To attract those first 100 members, consider rewarding early joiners, maybe with exclusive access or shoutouts. This little incentive can be the spark that gets people excited. Finally, check in on how your community is doing. Telegram offers analytics for channels and some for groups as well, so you can see what types of posts get the most attention and what topics spark discussion. Review and adapt your strategy as you go. Don't worry if things start out slow. Every community takes time to grow real connections. And there you have it. If this guide helped you feel more confident about launching your Telegram community, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop your questions or share your own tips in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And if you want more step-by-step tutorials like this one, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching and happy community building.